In 1974, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, the founder of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON, was very saddened and shocked on seeing village children in Mayapur, which is near Calcutta, fighting with stray dogs for some food. And he immediately ordered his disciples that no one within a 10-mile radius of the temple should go hungry. And ever since, the ISKCON Food for Life program began. Food for Life is the world's largest vegetarian food distribution program, serving millions of meals daily with projects in over 60 countries. With roots in the Vaishnava culture of charity and the distribution of pure food to all, the project is a modern-day revival of the ancient culture of hospitality and a belief in the equality of all beings. Food for Life has been lauded by the New York Times and government relief agencies worldwide for its efforts. Currently, Food for Life's largest programs are in India. More than 1.2 million school children are served multi-course, hot, healthy and tasty lunch 6 days a week in cities throughout the subcontinent through a partnership with the Indian government for the midday meal scheme. Food for Life volunteers also respond to natural disasters, bringing food and hope into the lives of people affected by events such as wars, tsunami, typhoons and hurricanes. On this special occasion, you can receive a lot of blessings by becoming an instrument to feed many souls. Sanctified food or prasadam. We are currently organizing Food for Life or prasadam distribution in Bhiwandi area and also villages around Bhiwandi and Kalyan in places which are underprivileged. We want to distribute food to needy and poor people, and you can help us in this effort by your contribution. So we request you to make some kind of contribution towards this great cause of Annadan and thus become a recipient of special blessings of the Lord and also of His people. Hare Krishna.